morning. Good morning, friends. Assalamu alaikum. This is Sadiq Sheikh from Government Urdu D.Ed, and this is the news of Government News. And right now we are standing on the ground of Government Urdu D.Ed's practicing school, and the Government Urdu D.Ed's students are going to celebrate the Saqafati program, means annual program, which is celebrated after the weekly. For that, the Government Urdu D.Ed's students did many work for the program, such as stage and dances and dramas, and they use the primary schools students to did all the things. And now this is the stage which is done by Government Urdu DS students, and you may see here, and these are the good stage looking you are looking. You can see your TV screen. We are showing you a picture, and this is a good job which done by all the students. And now you may see here many types of tables are used in for preparing the stage. You may see here on your TV screen. Okay, now this is the this is a good job. This is the good example of unity. You may see you may say you may tell that this is a good example of unity. All the students are did work together, and they come to know the result of a good stage. You may see here this is this is the backstage. In this backstage, this is a makeup room. This is called drawing hall, and now this will call as a makeup room. And now this is this is our Baba pointer. And now we are going to talk with them. And now this is we are going to right now we are going to talk with the monitor of second year, and this is also a pointer. So now we are going to talk with us. This is you may see on your TV screen. This is Salman Sheikh from Sangamner, Ahmednagar, and right now we are going to take the interview of them. Okay, now Salman Sheikh, how are you?
I am fine.
Yes, okay, and how do you feel about this?
Very good and very funny.
Okay. Oh, funny. Which type of funny?
Because our classmate is very funny.
How funny?
There is work funny.
Yes.
Working is process funny.
Funny. Oh, work is not funny. Working process is funny.
Funny.
Oh, I like this. Very appreciable thing. And I want to ask such a questions related to this. And first question is, why do you choose this area, this area, this location besides that? You did not choose that because despite that you are senior and choose that. Why?
Because there is a center area.
Okay.
And students are sitting very carefully and looking. This sitting is
Okay.
parents and looking.
Okay.
And teachers, and if there are any,
There are.
after some time,
makeup room.
children,
Yes.
they
Changing room.
changing room, drawing
makeup
hall,
room.
makeup room,
also.
and enter the stage.
Okay. And now, about your class, and how your class is going.
5 years.
Okay, fifth class. Okay,
fifth
your class is fifth class.
Fifth
Okay.
class.
Which song you are selected for the drama, for the dance? Sorry.
पैसा पैसा क्यों करती है?
Okay. From the movie De Dana Dan?
Their name is not no.
Okay, no problem at all. But how is your dances? Is it good or not?
Good.
Okay, okay. Is your students are giving response?
Yes.
Full. Okay. Then you are good. Then you are. What can we say? Then your students are good. Yeah, actually, appreciate students, and I think this will help you. And what do you think about this will become a top?
Yes.
How?
There is Ballam children.
Oh yeah, Ballam children. Due to Ballam children.
Ballam is active.
Oh.
There is children very active.
okay. Nice thing, nice thing.
Because is very uh, very different children.
Okay.
Our
Pichi,
children
pichi,
is
pichi.
very different children.
Oh, from other class. They
Other
are different.
They are different
Why? Why do you think like this?
because is high different. They are different.
Ballam different. Okay, nice to meet you. And now this is Sadiq Sheikh from the for the Government Urdu News with cameraman Mazhar Sheikh. This is Sadiq Sheikh.